To troubleshoot a Santander car loan, start by reviewing your loan agreement and understanding the terms and conditions. Check your monthly payment amount, due date, and any late fees associated with your loan. If you are experiencing difficulties making payments, contact Santander customer service to discuss possible alternatives, such as temporary payment deferrals or loan modifications. Next, verify your account information to ensure it is up to date and accurate. Check your address, phone number, and email address to confirm that Santander has the correct contact information. This will help prevent missed payments or important notifications due to outdated information. If you are experiencing issues with your online account or mobile app, try resetting your password or clearing your browser cache. Ensure you are using the correct login credentials and that your device is compatible with the Santander website or app. Another step is to review your payment history to identify any discrepancies or errors. Check your bank statements to confirm that payments have been deducted correctly and that there are no unauthorized transactions. If you notice any errors, contact Santander immediately to report the issue and request assistance. Additionally, consider seeking assistance from a financial advisor or credit counselor if you are struggling to manage your debt. They can provide guidance on budgeting and help you develop a plan to get back on track with your loan payments. It is also essential to be aware of any potential scams or phishing attempts targeting Santander customers. Be cautious of unsolicited emails or phone calls requesting sensitive information, and never provide personal or financial details to unverified sources. By following these steps and staying informed, you can effectively troubleshoot issues with your Santander car loan and maintain a positive financial relationship with the lender. Remember to stay proactive, monitor your account regularly, and seek help when needed to avoid any potential problems with your loan.